Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can share a YouTube video on Instagram story. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, the first thing would be for you to simply access your YouTube and simply search up the video you would like to share. Now simply go ahead, tap on this three dot of the video, tap on this option of share right over there, and now tap on this copy link. Once you have copied, you're gonna go back, open up your Instagram, go to home section, tap on this plus on your story on top, go ahead, choose a picture per se, this is the one, and now go ahead, tap on this little GIF icon, scroll till you find this option of, if you don't, simply go ahead, search this option of link and tap on it. Now go ahead, paste that link that you copied, tap on done, and simply go ahead, paste the link wherever you want, and simply tap on the share icon and you will be able to share that YouTube video. So they will simply click on it and you're good to go. Make sure to add the picture that is relevant with the video so people will be drawn to it to click on it. But if you would like to prefer directly sharing a video like you do it on your reels and on from your gallery, you cannot do so. So hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.